Hello everyone, I bring you another video on the strategy. In this case, we will again use the arrow indicator as a reference, but with all the indicators to see how they complement with the indicators that can use very well. So let's try with other indicators. Let's get started. Okay, it's going to be financial market because of the time, but the explanation. I'm going to show the OTC, not just the chart. Okay. So we're going to use classic candles, 15 seconds on time frame. I'm going to use three indicators: parabolic SAR, Aroon, and RSI. Okay. So for the parabolic SAR, we're going to use 002 and 02. The side's up to you, right? For the Aroon, you're going to use 15. Okay. That's normal. And RSI, instead to use 11, 10, we're going to use 14, right? Don't forget it about the colors. So I have everything set up, guys. I'm going to start with the first trade. When I have it, I would explain it for you. I'm going to start with $50, 1 minute expiration time, and $4 for the first one. Just opening that buy button for this one. So we have to pay attention on the details. Look for the arrow. Look for the 3 points that was created on the parabolic SAR. We're creating right now 4 points. Okay, and look at this. All right, that is the point. Okay, the bearish strength is already on the 50%, and we can see it from the candles. Several candles rising. Although the main movement is bullish. I'm entered there. Parabolic had 4 points to 5 points, as I said for you. Okay, to me that this movement would be the upward, so the one would look to mitigate this gap, right? You can see that. Let's create a line, horizontal line. 5 seconds. We are about to get this one. Let's see that result, and we got these, baby. Oh my goodness, $73 of profits. And that's so good, guys. It's perfect. Maybe I should have waited. Well, let's wait and see what it does for the time it goes up. Maybe remember, look, it went up toward a head mark zone. Sometimes it can be very slow, and then the analysis can be done as one proposes. Is the end of the fulfilled the analysis that had been indicated, but well, that's part of the volatility of the market to slow down or it's very fast. Let's look for the second one. As you can see right here, we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 points on the parabolic SAR. Right, that's a good downtrend. That's so good. Arrow up to 100%, already at 50%. The second indication on the RSI. Tell me that's oversold, but I think that based on the movement, it could happen. Let's check it in 1 minute. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Let's see this. All right, it's okay. And look at the seconds, 25 right now. Okay. All right, guys. So that is so good. We can't wait for that. I see the trend. I see the clearly downtrend. That's a good one. All right. 10 seconds, almost there without suffering. If I don't enter, it's gone. Okay, you have another position one quickly. I get the second one, baby. Oh, yeah, almost $150. So I'm going to trade with 120. So let's start with this. Let's look for the last position. I think that's enough. All right, I enter to the downside. Right here, let's see what they. When clear, see the downward trend, guys. It's clearly bearish. Second, there's volatility. The price fall here. It's rise again. The downward force is dominating, It's already below of the 50 on the RSI. Look at this. Guys, if you want to use the 50 line, or if you don't want to use that, it's up to you. Right? But you can't just imagine this. We got the arrow right here right now. You can see that. That's very important. For the RSI, that's below of the 50 line. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That is for around 42. In this case, I'm interested for the not being oversized. It may be the round to go a little lower. We wait for the last position. Almost 10 seconds. That's mainly a reference to know I'm too low or too high. Because I saw this one more confirmation on that. See what's going on. Look at this, guys. Position 1, I have the third correction engine. How many parabolic SAR I did have? $28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more or less 10 points. 4 to 6 points. That's so good, guys. You see, it's falling. After a month, pullbacks and with the reject candle and for the continent of the movement. If I'm too low, the RSI indicators I'm not doing to enter because I could lose. I raised my count 50 to 257. That is very good. One more session with this strategy. It's worked all well. You have to be patient, guys. And that's all for this video. I invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with the link with your friends. Stay tuned on the group, on the live. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much. Wish you good profit, good operations. And see you. Bye-bye.